one of the things that has really brought us to exploring this is those restaurant flavors, like how to get those restaurant flavors at home. My pan is definitely hot. Let's see what my butter dances a little too much. I will turn it down some, which I think I will do. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is just get a quick couple of slices of tomato to go on this. I like thin, kind of somewhere between thin. And I'm just gonna put a couple of tomato slices on there. One thing I love, though, I love pepper. And I see that's not in the shop for some of you. And my butter is really caramelizing over here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of I love pepper on my tomato. So I'll show you guys that. And I'm gonna grab my spatula over here so that I can get my butter, because I want to put this sourdough down. I want it to soak up a lot of butter. So that's gonna go in there on that side. Get that butter on there, and then I'm gonna put my other slice over here to go ahead and soak up that butter, because I want this to be really nice and golden, and I also want to make sure I get that pimento heated through. And that's pretty much it. Now, of course, the old me would have put some bacon slices on there. Whatever, you can take it now to any kind of level. I still feel like I want a little bit of avocado on there, but I'll just, for the sake of demonstration, I'm not gonna, and because I know this is already in here and already browning. Oh my God, that's gorgeous up under there, y'all. Yes, yes. Okay, let's get that toasted. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. There we go. I want to flip that over because this is a gorgeous side right there. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. Can y'all see that? That pimento cheese is going to be nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and grab a plate. Got a little bit of smoke going on. I certainly don't want to get my smoke detector. We've set that off a time or two as well. All right, so I think we're ready. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn that off because I'm going to wait and do hers when she comes back. All right. And you know what? I think what I want, I know I want a little bit of avocado. I'm going to go ahead and give this avocado a slice. And get us a couple of avocado slices on there. This is breakfast. Breakfast is ready. Look at there. Look at there. How you like me now? How you like me? Now y'all can't see it on Periscope. Put this on the side. So now we have our grilled cheese, pimento grilled cheese. I'm gonna put the avocado over here to the side and go ahead and get that cut up for you. Nice crispy bread. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, somebody about to eat good. Okay, come on. Give me a slice up now. We've got pimento. Okay, really? Pimento on sourdough. Grilled. Hello. All right. So what we've got is pimento on sourdough with tomato. Grilled pimento, sourdough with tomato. There we go. Can y'all see that? Can everybody? I can't give it every. Let's see. There we go. There. All right. Let's see if we can get a one shot deal. Okay. Somebody give me a screenshot there. There we go. Awesome. Isn't that great? Be delicious. That's a shot on everybody's. Okay. I gotta taste this because we gotta eat hot pimento when it's hot. Look at that. Grilled pimento and tomato. Did you hear the crunch in the bread?